On the top left of the main screen, choose one of the treatments from those proposed. Once done, the parameters will be set automatically. Press on the appropriate icon to activate ventilation. Press on Turn on all panels to activate the lamp LEDs or select them individually. Clean the skin properly before treatment. Prepare everything provided in the kit. Spatula, disposable container, carrier gel, chromophore gel. Transfer the carrier gel into the disposable container. Now mix it with chromophore gel. Stir the contents well until orange color is homogeneous. Apply the mixture evenly to the target area. The desired thickness is 2 millimeters. Be sure to wear the eye protection goggles for patient and operator. Carefully place the lamp over the treatment area. The optimal distance between lamp and the nose is 5 centimeters. Activate the session. Allow the entire cycle to complete. Once the treatment is complete, remove the gel from the skin gently.